Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to buy the nightclubs on GTA Online. So at first, just take out your phone, pressing the scroll button on your map. After your phone pops up, go on the internet and click it. And go on the money and services and click it. And after that, go on the foreclosersmazebank.com and just click it. And go on the filter and click on nightclubs. After you click it, you can see the nightclubs you can buy. So just select any of the nightclub and click on the buy from. And also, you can select any of the style you want. And after you select it, just click on this buy from. And after that, you own a nightclub. So guys, that's how you buy your nightclubs on GTA Online. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icons to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.